Welcome back. Now we are in the push stage. We talked about taxonomy. Next thing we want to learn is how to export our data out of HubMeta. We go to push, export, and what we see in this page is at the top we see different ways to filter our papers. So for example, let's say I want to export only the papers for which I have extracted a correlation table. So I will check this one. That means only 498 papers will be exported. Or if I want to search, I can search papers from a specific journal to be included in this extraction, or the title or something else. So you get the idea. So first you filter. In advanced filters, these are the same filters that we saw in our library page. In the advanced one, you can add groups here, and here it just says, okay, go to for example that one, which was sample characteristics, and if the total n was, I don't know, like sample size was more than 200, just give me the export for those. But let's extract everything for now. So let's go with all the ones that have a correlation table, 498. Then after we have filtered, we have three options to export. The one that we are most interested in is extracted data. Like, remember the data that was shown in our capture page, a library, like the ones that AI or ourselves extracted from each paper. If I click on generate export, it will take a few minutes. It will read all of those data from our database and create only one CSV file for us. And what we can do with that is absolutely everything. We download that, we take it outside HubMeta, we can take it to R, to Stata, wherever we do our analysis. It's actually not a bad idea to do all of your analysis outside HubMeta. You can go to our analysis page and see our example code there. But with AI, you can do a whole lot of things that you want to do on your data over there. Here we go. The data is ready. It says 13,000 rows, 86 megabytes of data. I can download it. Let's quickly take a look at what our data looks like. It's a CSV file. It's a very big one, of course, 13,000 lines and many columns. Each line is an effect size in this CSV file. You have in the columns many different things, including the journal, year, sample size, the correlation, the mean and the standard deviation of the two sides of the effect size, and all the data from your templates, like publication type. Like, remember, all of these were things that we extracted from our papers, like journal type, country, industry, you name it, like a whole lot of different things that we extracted. All of them are available here. In my case, it's close to more than hundreds of columns, and you might or might not use it in your analysis, but it's just pure text and data. You can do anything you want with this. The other way to extract information is if you just want a list of your papers, you can just use this. This will just give a list of all the final sample of your papers, the title, the author, complete bibliography. This is useful when you are creating a final table to report the papers that were included in your systematic review. Finally, with this, you can create a zipped file for all the PDFs that were included. This is, just basically getting all the PDFs you had already uploaded on HubMeta and downloading them for yourself. Just mind you, this link that we create for you to export your PDFs will expire, I think, in 24 or 48 hours. So after you created your export link, make sure you come back and download it. It will take a few minutes to build that, but it will be available here for 2 days. You then take it out of your project. So that's how you take your data out of HubMeta. You can take out absolutely everything you have used HubMeta to create, and then do it and then use it for your analysis and reporting. In the final video, I will talk about our analysis page and what we have available for you